Hello everyone, it is no longer news that JAMB is holding on the 25th of April 2026. Yes, that's the date for JAMB. It has been released and everything you need to know about JAMB has been said already. And after the 25th of April when JAMB is starting, results, I call it the judgment day, results will be released on the 7th of May. Some persons will be crying that day and some persons will be laughing. And what will determine the people that will be laughing and the people that will be crying is what they are doing now before 25th of April. Some persons are sleeping, they registered for JAMB, they want to score 390 and they want to score 399. They want to study medicine, they want to study nursing, they want to study engineering, but they are sleeping, waiting for 1 month to exam. Clap for yourself, magician of Nigeria, the best magician in Nigeria. Clap for yourself. You're waiting to 1 month to exam, that's when you start reading. When people are already dying in their book. People are already dying in their book. If you want to score high, start reading. You must have read far already. But if you've not started and you're watching this video now, it's the best time to start. Now, I have an online group where I teach Mondays to Fridays for only science students now. Mondays to Fridays. Now, one thing I've discovered is if you're in a community, you're in a group where people are motivating. You see this one reading, you see this one doing this one, you see this one doing this one, it will motivate you to read. It will motivate you to study. Then when you isolate yourself, you think nobody has started anything. You don't know people are dying in their book. So when you are in a group like that, it will push you to read. Besides, I'm teaching on that group Mondays to Fridays. Mondays to Fridays. You can see on the board, I just finished teaching for the day, the class for the day. Like the day I'm making this video now, on the group we're having biology and chemistry. I just finished teaching chemistry now. Alright, and then on the group we'll now brainstorm. I'll be sending past questions, they will answer. Send the answer, I send the answer, I send the answer like that. To keep them prepared. Now, if you'll be writing 2026 JAMB, you should finish your textbook at least 2 times before exam, and it's easy to finish. On the group, I'll tell you everything. Now, if you're interested in joining the group, it is almost free. Many persons are already on that group. It is almost free. It is just 10,000 naira registration fee as a commission for your seriousness. It is just 10,000 naira, and the 10,000 naira is not monthly. It is that 10,000 naira covers you till April 2026. That is the JAMB. So once you pay the 10,000, I will add it to the group. I will send you a document that contains all your syllabus. Then you start learning. I will also send you previous lessons you've missed. I will send them to you so you can start. JAMB, it was those days that you score 250 and you expect to get medicine. Now, even with 300, I know somebody that scored 300 did not get medicine because proceeding was low, though. But what I'm trying to say is that JAMB 2026 is different from the past JAMB. Competition is getting too much. So you that is sleeping, JAMB is not just about the score. Do you understand? JAMB is not just about the score. JAMB is deciding your future. You are applying for medicine. Let's say you get the medicine now. In the future, you're already on your lab coat, so you are in the lab, you are now in the theater, you are now a medical doctor. Good and fine. But if you don't read well and they give you agric, animal husbandry, then 7 years from now you're in poultry. You've changed your future. You are the one that uses your hand to decide your future. Do you get? Because if you don't read, there's no way that you will get what you are applying for. So decide your future rightly. Leave play and the rest now. Focus. So my number will be showing on the screen now. Chat me up on WhatsApp to register for the class, and I'll add you up to the group of like minds. And then I know some of you watching are already on that group because many persons are already on the group. But if you're not on the group yet, you are missing a lot. And the more you delay, the more you miss. The more you delay, the more you miss. The more you delay, the more you miss. Because as JAMB is drawing close, that group will be on fire. Be on fire, and if you don't carry the fire, now you do yourself, nobody do you, right? So send me a DM on WhatsApp, I will respond, register, and I'll add you to the group. And drop in the comment section if you're interested. Drop in the comment section interested, I am interested. Drop in the comment section I am interested, then send me a message. Then if you're already on that group, just drop in the comment section I'm already on the group. Then tell me one thing you like about the group. Alright, see you in my DM. My name is Excellent Simplified.